Let's see one more question here. A ideal spring of a spring constant K. Ideal spring of spring constant is K, which is attached to a mass M. Which is attached to a mass M. So actually here, generally we are taking only that extension due to that. Only if you are taking that, you can take mg is equal to kx, then x equal to, you can able to take mg upon kx. If you are taking the total conservation of energy, from conservation of energy, you can see here, when we are attaching this mass is slightly displacing down. Actually, this mass is slightly displacing down by x. So that means nothing but here work done against the gravity. Sorry, work done by the gravity means here due to the gravity the body gets displaced x displacement. Means there is some gravitational potential energy is lost. The loss in gravitational potential energy is equal to gaining elastic potential energy. So here when the spring is in the natural state, when the body is here, which may have some gravitational potential energy, right now, if we are releasing it, the body is coming down, that means spring is gets extend. The spring is gets extend. This is we can take as maximum. So now at this point, what will happen? The gravitational potential energy is equal to elastic potential energy. Means what is mgx? Mg and then which is the displaced x displacement down. Mgx means force into displacement. The work done by the gravity, which is equal to, which is stored in the form of elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy. So now see here how much you can get. The value of x is equal to simply 2mg upon k. This is the extension, maximum extension due to the own weight. Maximum extension due to the own weight. Now what they said, there is a force F is applied. Due to the F applied force, what is the value of the extension? What is the expected extension by the application of the force F? Previous how much we have? Mg. Now additionally F force we are applying. So now we considering the total extension. Total extension I am considering as x dash. Total extension means extension due to mg plus extension due to force. That is I am taking as x dash. So which is equal to half k x dash square. Half k x dash square. Where x is due to extension due to mg. X dash is the extension due to mg plus f. Mg plus f. So now x dash will be cancelled. So then remaining x dash is equal to how much you have? The value is going to be 2mg by k plus 2f by k. 2mg by k plus 2f by k. Now the total extension is this. Only extension due to only force is x minus x dash only. Yes, of course, x minus x dash. What is x dash? X dash value 2mg by k plus 2f by k minus what is x value? 2mg upon k. So then 2mg will be cancelled. Then x minus x dash minus x equal to 2f upon k. What is the expected extension in the spring, which is equal to 2f upon k? A spring balance has a scale that reads from 0 to 20. Yesterday I told you how to be taking 0 to 20 kg. And the length of the scale is 0 to 10 centimeters. Length of the scale is 0 to 10 centimeters. A body is suspended from the balance. A body is suspended from this balance. When the displaced and released, the oscillation time period is given t is equal to pi by 10 seconds. Oscillation time period is given t is equal to pi by 10 seconds. So then what is the mass of the body? What is the mass of the body? So first of all here they are giving time period. Time period t is equal to 2 pi into under root m by k. Alright. So we need to get the value of m. Time period only they are giving. Yes, oscillations with the period, right? So then put the value of time period t is equal to how much? Pi by 10. is equal to 2 pi into under root m by k, pi cancelled. So nothing but how much we got, root m by k is equal to 1 by 20. Root m by k is equal to 1 by 20. So this is the value of m by k. Now you know mass? Don't know. You know k? No. But how do you find the value of k? Yes, see here. They are giving the strength of this spring. How much? So what is the strength which can able to extend 20 kg up to 10 centimeters? Right now, if you are attaching 20 kg, that is extended to 20 kg. Strength 10 centimeter. So then mg upon x. Mg 20 into g value 10 by 10 centimeters means 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. So then what is the value of k you are getting? The value of the k is goes to 2000 Newton meter. 2000 Newton meter. Now you want to get the value of k, you know the value of k, then please squaring on both sides. Then m by k is equal to 1 by 400, right? Then put the value of k here. Then m is equal to k by 400. K value 2000. 2000 by 400. So the value is going to be 5 kg, or g value if you are taking 9.8. So then you can get 4.9 kg. 4.9 kg. See here what they are giving? Reading of the spring balance. Reading of the spring balance from 0 to 20. And length is 0 to 10 centimeters. And then time period is given t by 10. What they are asking? Mass of the body. To get the mass of the body, first you require k. K value how to we can able to find? By the given readings. There is a spring of a spring constant k. Spring of a spring constant k is equal to 200 Newton per meter. 200 Newton per meter, and which is attached to a block of mass 1 kg and hanging from one end of the spring attached to the ceiling of the elevator. Yes, which is attached to the ceiling of the elevator. Now the elevator is rising upwards with an acceleration of g by 3. With an acceleration of g by 3, elevator is rising upwards with an acceleration of g by 3. What should be the angular frequency and elongation during the time when the elevator is accelerating? What is the angular frequency and as well as elongation? Angular frequency omega, elongation x, that both is our requirement. What you have first? You have mass and as well as spring constant. So let's find the value of omega. Omega is equal to, we know that under root k by m, which is independent on remaining other factors now. Yes, of course. So then omega is equal to under root k value 200 by m value 1 kg. Nothing but root 200. Root 200 means how much omega value? 14.14 radian. 14.14 radian per second. See there. Which option? Sorry, not option. We got only the value of omega. Now we want to get the value of x also. So x is nothing but simply extension due to the weight. But actually here what happened? When the lift is accelerating upwards, what about the weight? What about the weight? Weight is increases or decreases? Yes, of course. Weight has to be increased. So now that x equal to what you can able to take? Apparent weight upon k value. Apparent weight upon k value. What is the apparent weight? When the lift is accelerating upward, what about the apparent weight? How much weight is increases? Actual weight is mg. Now the weight is increases by g plus a we are taking now. G plus a. G plus a means m of g plus g by 3. M of g plus g by 3. So that's once we can able to take as apparent weight. The apparent weight equal to what you can able to take simply g plus a. M. So now the value of m into g plus a value g by 3 by k. So now put all values. M is equal to 1 means this is going to be 4g by 3. 4g by 3 into 1 by k is nothing but 200. 1 by k is nothing but 200, and take the g value as 10. Okay, keep it like this. So now how much you can get? 40 by 3 into 200. 41s, 45s. 45s. Nothing but how much you got the value of x? 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is how much you can able to get? Means you can take as 100. 100 by 15 is how much? 90. 15 6 are 90. 15 7s means around how much you can get? 0.066 meters. 0.066 meters. 066 meters. So this is the value of the extension, and this is the value of the frequency. Let's see one more problem. We will take next problem. See there. What is the next problem? A block of mass 1 kg is connected with a spring of massless spring of force 100 newtons. Means actually there is a spring. What we did here, we are attaching to the F equal to how much they are giving? 100 newtons now. Spring constant is 100 newton per meter, and mass of the body is 1 kg. Mass of the body is 1 kg. Now what they are asking, simply at t is equal to 0, a constant force of 100 newtons, a constant force of 10 newtons is applied on the block. Then the spring is having its natural length of t is equal to 0. Then what is the speed of the particle at x equal to? At x equal to 6 centimeters from the mean position. X equal to 6 centimeters from the mean position. So what is they asking here? Velocity at x equal to 6 centimeters from the mean position. To get the velocity, actually you can take in the simple harmonic motion, mean position, extreme position, and as well as extreme position. Right now they are applying a constant force of 10 newtons, but how much distance they can able to apply? They need to stop somewhere else. That point only we can call as extreme position. That point only we can call as extreme position. Means after extreme position we are not able to stretch the spring, right? Yes, of course. So that means by using of F force, they can able to, means F is directly proportional to A or X. X is nothing but displacement or amplitude. Here our requirement is amplitude. We need to get what is the value of amplitude. So nothing but F equal to what I can able to take? K into A minus only. Take K into A. You know the value of A? No. So that's why you can try to get the value of A. What is that? F by K. F value how much? 10. K value how much? 100. Means what is the value of A? 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter. What is the value of A? 10 centimeter. Now where they are asking the velocity? At x equal to what distance? 6 centimeters. You know omega value? Yes, you can watch, you can observe clearly, you have omega value. Yes, yeah. K by M. Omega is equal to under K by M. How much? 100 by 1. How much omega? 10 radian per second. How much omega? 10 radian per second. Now take what you need to get, velocity. V is equal to omega into under root a square minus x square. Omega into under root a square minus x square. So then V is equal to omega value 10. A square is nothing but 10 square minus 6 square in centimeter. Centimeter whole square 10 to the power of minus 2. If you are taking out of the root, that is going 10 to the power of minus 4. If you are taking out of the root, that is going 10 to the power of minus 2. See here. So then how much you get? This value 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. This is 100 minus 64. Sorry, 100 minus 36. 64. Root 64 means 8. 8 into 10, 80. 80 into 10 power minus 2. Nothing but simply 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. What is the problem? Yes, interesting and as well as easy problem. A mass M is suspended from a spring of negligible mass spring mass is negligible. The spring is pulled a little and then released, so that mass executing the simple harmonic motion with a time period t. Means whenever you are attaching for a spring, if you are attaching a mass of m, then time period is t. Now, if the mass is increased by m, if mass is increased by m, means we are attaching the mass of that m, and we are increasing by m plus m, then time period is going to be 5t by 4. Time period is going to be 5t by 4. Then what is the ratio of m by m? What is the ratio of m by m? What is the ratio of m by m? That is the question. Very interesting and as well as easy question. We know that already I told you. The time period of the spring mass system, which is depends on mass of the body and also depends on k value. So see here, mass of the body, how it is depends. Time period t is equal to 2 pi into under root m by k. Yes, means time period is directly proportional to mass. Time period is directly proportional to mass, root of mass. So now here I am taking it is as a t1 by t2, which is directly proportional to m1 by m2. Give what is t1, t2, what is m1, m2. T1 is nothing but t. T2 is nothing but 5t by 4. What is m1 capital M? What is m2? M plus m. Right? These all values put here. Before that, just squaring on both sides, that is going better. T1 square by T2 square equal to m1 upon m2. Just put the values. T1 square, nothing but t square by 5t square. 5 means 25 square. 25t square by 16 is equal to m plus m plus m. T square gets cancelled. This value is going to be 16 by 25 is equal to m by m plus m. M by m plus m. Our requirement is m by m. Like for that, we can take here 25 by 16 is equal to 1 plus m by m. Right now, means how it is. Take this m plus m by m. Then 25 by 16 is equal to 1 plus m by m. Then m by m is equal to 1 minus or 25 minus 16 by minus 1. So nothing but how much you are getting the ratio? 9 by 16. How much the ratio of m by m is? 9 by 16. Let's see one more problem in this 10th problem. We are expecting it may finishes here. Two springs of masses m1 and m2 are suspended from the spring of spring constant k. Two masses m1 and m2 are suspended from the spring of spring constant k. When the masses are in equilibrium, m1 is gently removed, then angular frequency and amplitude of oscillation of m2 is respectively. So what about the amplitude and what about the angular frequency? That's they are asking. See here, there is m1 and as well as m2, two masses. Which one removed? m1 removed. So that's why you can take m2, m1, right? m2 and as well as m1. So now actually what is the extension? Yes, the total extension is equal to extension m1 plus m2 of g is equal to k into x1 plus x2, right now? K into x1 plus x2. Now what we can able to take, m1g is equal to kx1, m2g is equal to kh2. Are you accepting it or not? Yes, you have to. Now take x1 is equal to m1g by k. x1 equal to m1g by k. x2 is equal to m2g by. So actually when we are attaching both, it is extended this much, kx1 plus kh2, that much that is extended. Now when we are removing m1, then how much the spring is compressed? x1 or x2. If you are removing at m1, then the spring is compressed by x1. If you are removing m2, the spring is compressed by x2. Now we are removing m1, the spring is compressed by x1, and that is going to be the that is going to be the amplitude of oscillation. Then what is the amplitude? Is equal to x1, because due to m1, हमने m1 को रिमूव किया था, m1 रिमूव करने की वजह से उसका एम्पलीट्यूड हो जाएगा, एम्पलीट्यूड इक्वल x1 इक्वल टू m1g by k. Now what about the value of omega, angular frequency? After that they ask you, after removed what is the angular frequency? After removed what is the angular frequency? m1 रिमूव करने के बाद क्या है? m2. So then k by m2. So these are the problems based on spring mass system. Please practice it properly. You will get